guys, welcome back. So today's video is actually a Thredup video, but ironically, this is not a men's box. I usually prefer the men's rescue boxes because I've had the most consistency with those as far as the quality of items and my resale value that I can get from it. But I ordered a few different boxes a week or a week and a half ago, and I don't know which one this is because I think I ordered 4 different ones. One of them was a men's, but it was the smaller men's because that's the only one they had available. But there was a shoe, there was a denim, and I honestly don't remember the other one. But I thought I would just do a little bit more variety. Hopefully it's not too terrible. I don't know which one this is, but I just thought I would open it up with you and kind of have something a little different on the channel. So if you aren't subscribed, definitely consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And if you like these Thredup videos, they're fun for me at the moment because it is a way to get some extra product. Hit the thumbs up. I don't know why that was awkward, but we'll just leave it. Okay, so let me just jump into this. Okay, so just cut the box open and it's shoes. I don't know if you can see, there's shoes. So there's the tissue on top. I don't remember how much I paid for this. I wanna say this was the more expensive one. I'm looking to see if there's an invoice, but I don't see one. Anyways, I wanna say this was the more expensive one. That day I purchased, I think a lot of them were in that $50 range, but I think this one was $90. I will put up on the screen if I'm wrong, but I wanna say it was 10 or 15 pairs of shoes for $90, which, you know, we'll see if that was a bad decision. So anyways, I'm just going to take the first one. Already it's not a good one. There's no brand on this. It just says 40 on the back. So they appear to be new, but they appear to be very cheap. Like you can see the plastic is all warped. This might actually be my size, so I might just keep this. I think I'm more of like a 39, but it's like a sneaker style. Yeah, I mean, or I'll give it to someone, but these are not sellable. They're cute, they're new, they're cheap, and they're not worth anything. So that's a good start. All right, not a good start. I was being sarcastic. Okay, so the second pair is Anne Klein. And, you know, falls right around the corner. These appear to be in good condition. They're just kind of a black heeled knee-high boot. Anne Klein is not a brand I pick up. I have sold it and it won't get much, but I should, because they are in good condition, I should be able to get something for them, at least my money back. So I'd probably guess, if I had to guess, I'd probably say I could probably get about 15 to 20 for these, but I'll try and look up something. Like here's the style, so I'll see if it's worth a little bit more. But all right, so that is that. And oh no, they're not in good condition. Okay, there is a little bit on this one, but a lot on this one. So the back of this is peeling. It's like a fake leather, and it's peeling down here and all on this kind of back seam. So I don't even think these are sellable, to be honest. So I will just redonate those. All right, we're striking out. This is why I like the men's boxes, because All right, so these feel very, very cheap. Like a fake leather, Fantasma, Step Into Fun. I have no idea. I'll try and show you the label in a second, but they kind of look like a Halloween shoe, like a costume shoe. And we'll see if I can finagle, oh geez. I don't know if you can see in there. It's really, anyways, it's very cheap. I think it's just now they do appear to be kind of unworn, just some like scuffs or something, but I'm guessing they won't have any value. So already 0 out of 3 that I plan to resell. Okay, so these are tennis shoes. Specifically for tennis, not just sneakers. Wilson is a tennis brand. So these appear to be brand new, and these will have some value. So these aren't terrible. I actually used to play tennis. These appear to have a little breast cancer tag. Wilson is I think actually my current tennis shoes. I don't play much tennis anymore, but I do think, so I would probably guess maybe 30-ish in that range since they are new, but new without tags, but we'll see. I'll look up comps. And all of these should be listed. The ones that I plan on listing should be listed by the time this video goes out. Okay, so definitely I'll probably give these to a niece or a friend. Yeah, these are, I think, girls, but they're just rainbow slides from Old Navy. They are worn, so they're not brand new. If they were brand new, I would probably list them for about, you know, I don't know, maybe I'll list them for $5 and just not take offers, just two, because they're lightweight to ship, so these might be able to go first class, but they're not terrible, in like terrible shape, but Old Navy's not a brand I typically pick up, so. All right, some more sneakers. These are worn, but they're Nike, so they do have some flaws. I'll get to that, but this is a Nike Flex, kind of a light blue, baby blue. You can see the dirt, the wear, and I don't think I've been saying the sizes, but honestly, there's not much exciting. So 9.5, and yeah, you can see there's some, like a rip. So I'll probably list these for cheap, you know, maybe get $10 for these because they are still wearable, but okay, so these are good. These are Merrells. I do like picking up Merrells depending on the style. And these appear to be in really great shape, if not new. So just kind of a hiking shoe, a casual shoe. I'll have to look up the style. So it's got the paper like it is new without tags or new without box. Let's see what size. Please don't be my size. Oh, these are men's. Okay, so these are a men's 9. But they're new. So right now, so far, I've got the Wilson tennis shoes and then the Merrell kind of casual shoes. Those are, I'll just put those over there. Those hopefully should be able to get close to making my money back, but I might lose money on this box. Okay. Andre, something made in Spain. I'm not familiar with it. They are pre-owned. They are a cute little summer shoe. The brand, it's a little hard to, because it's kind of worn off a little bit. The brand appears to be Andre, ASSOUS, made in Spain. I don't know if you can see that second. Anyways, they are pre-owned. They're size 9. I know some people say made in Spain is always a good sign for them. I haven't found that to be exactly true, but I don't see made in Spain as often. And when it is, it's usually an okay brand. I can't remember some of the brands that I see that are made in Spain, but I'll see if I can sell these for something. They're at least lightweight, which is good, but they aren't in perfect condition, but hopefully I can get something for those. This is a pair of Under Armour. Now these appear to be new, so hopefully I should be able to sell these for something, but they're like baseball cleats, I'm assuming. I never played baseball or softball, but that front spike, I believe, is baseball. So they're new, and yeah, a 6 youth. So probably won't get much for them, but yeah. Okay, and then last one, so this must have been 10 pairs of shoes. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so 10 pairs of shoes for $90. So, wow, I can't believe I went for that one. I didn't go for the handbag one because it was more expensive, I believe. I don't remember. So this is a pair of boots. I don't see a brand on the bottom. Oh, jeez. They don't feel like the best of quality, so I'm not super optimistic. This is gonna be a tough one. I feel like I'm gonna have to get like a flashlight, and I'll just try and roll it for you. So the bottom appears to have some kind of red floral pattern, which indicates it matches something on the, I thought that maybe that was marker, but I think it matches kind of the label on the inside. It looks like it says Scarfly or SCAR and then maybe a dash F something Y. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to try and look at it closely. I don't think I'm gonna be able to show you because it's kind of, anyways, they don't feel like great quality. I'm gonna see if there's any sort of material. And I do like getting these boxes just to show that they're a leather upper. Okay, so they are leather. and they're size 10 medium. So I'll try and look at that brand. But I do like getting boxes that are kind of duds, just to show that even though I have a YouTube channel, I don't think Thredup pays attention to that. So I'll see if these have any value. They seem to be in decent shape, and it is nice to know that they are a leather upper, but I don't recognize the brand. So hopefully I should be able to sell these. So that's one. I don't, just because condition wise, and they don't feel like anything amazing, but they are sellable. So hopefully I can at least get my money back on those. The baseball cleats, they're in brand new condition, or new without tags. So I'm assuming that I should be able to get something for those. This is probably the best one in the box, the Merrill, and they're new without the box. So yeah, I'm okay with those. And then the Wilson tennis shoes. Now they do have the little breast cancer tag, but they don't have like a price tag or the box. So at least I got some newish shoes, the 3 new shoes. So I should be able to make my money back. That's not my goal with these boxes. I would love to, at the very minimum, double my money, and I definitely won't be able to do that with this. I'll still probably list these just to get money back. So that's 6 pairs that I'll sell. I might list these for $5, but I can't imagine that Old Navy charges much more than that. So I'll look up comps and see if I can get anything. But if I can't at least get $5, I will just give these to a friend or donate them. These little Halloween shoes that I couldn't really see the brand, I don't think these are going to be worth listing, but I'll still take a look. These might just give to a friend because there is no brand. It just has a little 40 tag. Now they are new, which is great, but not sellable. And then the last one was the damaged pair of Anne Klein boots that the fake leather, faux leather, is just kind of peeling off all in the back. So yeah, this I would say is not a great box for me. And I know a lot of people like the shoe boxes, and I've seen some good boxes where there's some designer shoes and stuff like that. But I'm glad to do something a little different, mix things up a little bit. Let me know your thoughts on this box below. I think I should still be able to get my money back, which is great. And with the YouTube channel and getting a little bit of ad revenue, that helps me kind of take a risk on some of these. But this is definitely not a box. I've done shoe boxes in the past, and I don't think I've ever really had a good box that I recall. So it's not for me, but I'm glad I gave it a shot. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hit the thumbs up before you leave, and I hope everyone's doing well. Bye.